Hello, and thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Terry, and today I will be sharing this cute little Christmas card that I created using some products from Say It With Stamps. So let's get started. Okay, so here is a close-up look at the stamp set. This one's called Santa's Helper, and I just love how adorable the images are. It's so cute. So to start off my card, I am going in with white cardstock. This one is the Color Me cardstock that I trimmed down, and I'm stamping that with an alcohol-friendly ink. I am using an alcohol-friendly ink because I do plan on using my alcohol markers to color the images in. I did went ahead and stamped the images down twice just to make sure that I had a clearer impression. And now it's time for coloring. And of course, I will go ahead and leave a time stamp down below. So if you're not interested in the coloring process, you can go ahead and forward it to that time. But if you are, I hope you sit back and enjoy, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. Carols and bells, none of them help. I still feel blue. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I don't need a fancy watch. You can give the elves a break. No, you can't make it in the shop. You can't put it on your sleigh. You know me so well that nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love. Save the wrapping paper, your ribbon and bow. I don't need that extra stuff. Oh, I just wanna fall in love. Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. You know me so well, and nobody else can do what you do.
Okay, so I am back. So here I'm going in with a second piece of white cardstock, and I'm using a basic circle die. What I'm going to do is I'm going to die cut the half circle onto the white cardstock. This is just creating a little peekaboo on my card panel. Now I will need a sentiment for my card panel, and I'm going in with the Holiday Sentiment stamp set. And this stamp set is great. It has so many different options, and here you can see that I'm just trying to figure out which sentiment will look best onto my card panel. There's just so many to choose from. I had such a hard time deciding. And once I decided on a sentiment, I went ahead and grabbed the die cut white cardstock, placed that in my stamping platform, and stamped on the sentiment with black ink. I'm using a really nice dark ink here, and I'm stamping it on twice just to make sure I have a clear impression. I then went in with clear embossing powder and applied that over the sentiment. I like doing this because it gives the sentiment a little bit of shine. And of course, I heat set that using my heat tool. And now it's time to adhere everything together. So I'm going in with foam tape. This one is from Thermoweb, and I applied that to the die cut panel and adhered it on top of our second panel. I wanted to add a little bit of color behind the card panel, so going in with my paper pad, I am trimming down a paper that measures 4 inches by 5¼ inches. I also went in and trimmed down black cardstock just slightly larger than my front panel. Okay, so now using liquid adhesive, I adhered the card panel onto the black cardstock. The black cardstock is creating a matting effect, and I love doing that on my cards. Then I went in and adhered that onto the pattern paper. And now I am adhering everything down to a card base. And this card base is from Say It With Stamps, and it's the card blanks in the A2 size. And I love this because it comes pre-cut, pre-scored. All that you have to do is use your bone folder and reinforce the score lines. Okay, so the card is almost done. So what I like to do is to add a little bit of highlights and details, and I like doing that by using a white gel pen. So I'm going in and just placing little white marks throughout the card panel. And also to add a little more shimmer and bling, I added some embellishment on top of some of the circle ornaments. So it creates a little 3D effect, and I love doing that. It's so simple, but yet it gives so much interest. And this completes the card. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and please don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.